In 1889, Doctor Jose Rizal wrote to the young women of Malolos in response to the courageous act of 20 young women from Malolos, Bulacan. They petitioned Governor-General Weber to allow them to open a night school to study Spanish, but the request was initially denied due to the strong opposition of a Spanish friar, which is Father Felipe Garcia. However, through persistence they eventually gained approval until the condition that their teacher would be Señorita Guadalupe Reyes. Marcelo H. del Pilar, who was in Barcelona at this time, informed Rizal about this act of bravery and requested him to write a letter of encouragement. Rizal, who was in London, responded with a letter emphasizing the importance of education, independent thinking, and the crucial role of women in shaping the nation's future. His message continues to inspire gender equality and the pursuit of knowledge today.